Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today is May 21st here at KIT Iizuka, third period for English A2, class number 8. Have a few things that we need to discuss. Number one, today is class 6, and then next week is class 7. Now, after class 7 on June 4th, we have the test. That will be your midterm test. The midterm test will all be done on Moodle, so make sure that for June 4th, the night before, that your computer battery is 100% charged. I would also, if I were you, bring my charger to the class just because, and that you also have a pair of headphones. We'll be doing listening during the test as well, so make sure you have headphones, either wireless like me or wired, it doesn't really matter, but you'll need headphones for the test. Make sure you have your computer, make sure you have your battery charged. I would bring your charger and make sure you have headphones. And if you have not yet put Moodle on your phone or your tablet, I really suggest that you do it. On more than one occasion, I've had a student come with their computer ready to take the test, and then suddenly the computer, they couldn't use the computer for some reason, but they were able to use their phone or their tablet. Suggest that you use that as a backup. Okay? Now, one of your most important questions is, Mr. Cruz, what is on the test? Well, basically everything that was from class 7 onwards, backwards, I should say. So from class 1 to class 7, basically everything that we studied from class 1 to class 7. Now, you're lucky, this version of A2, we didn't really study until class 3. Class 1, class 2, that was about graded readers. And I should remind you about your graded readers. I'll do that next week. Class 1, class 2, we didn't study much, but everything from class 3 to class 7 is on the test. All the shadow talking, all the vocabulary, all the homework that you did. Okay, so all of that, not all of it, but that will be the area that I will use to make the test. Okay? Now, for this week, class 6, okay, we are going to start with some shadowing. And this is the article that we'll use. It's called Plastic Bags. And I want to show you a different way to use that shadowing. We'll get onto that in just a second. Your homework answers from last week are available. You can download them, check against the work that you did, see if you got everything right. And this is homework number 3 for chapter 1. This is the reading section for homework number 3, page 17. So at the bottom of page 17, there are some questions. Please answer them, write them down, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. And as usual, you have a reflection. This one is about the exercises that we do in class, all of that. I do you do, does he do? All of that style of fluency exercises. What do you think about it? And specifically, what do you think you need to do to help your English fluency? You don't really need to watch this video, but it might give you a better idea. And then once you do that, take 10 minutes, write your answer to that question, take a picture of it, send it up to Moodle here. Okay, and I think that was all that we needed to talk about today. Yeah, okay, well, thank you very much. If you ever have any questions, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. If not, you can come and talk to me in class today. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.